What's up, guys? I hope you guys had a great New Year's. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Bruce Wang. In today's video, we're gonna go over Robinhood Challenge episode 16. In the Robinhood Challenge, I deposit $100 into my portfolio every week, and I sell, I buy, and I trade stocks. But mostly what I've been doing lately is just been buying and holding all my stock portfolio. I've been trying to grow my portfolio as much as I can and collect dividends. That's enough talking right now. Let's just jump right into my portfolio and I'll update you guys with what I've done recently in the last week or two. If you guys want to follow me along on this journey, you can use the link in the description. If you sign up with that link, you'll get a free stock. I'll get a free stock. Some rare stocks that you might be able to get is Berkshire Hathaway, Apple, or Microsoft. Some of the more common stocks that you'll most likely get is something like General Electric, Snapchat, or Ford. But like I said, if you guys want to join Robinhood and follow me along on this challenge, it's 100% free. There's no commissions when using Robinhood. All your stock trading is free. And let's just take a look at my portfolio now. So as we can clearly see, I have $1,858.58. That's the value of my portfolio on the day. I'm up $15.75. Today is a green day. For the last week, it's been a green week. I'm up almost 5% on the week. That's pretty remarkable when just 2 weeks ago, I was down about this much. For the month, if you look here on this really big dip around Christmas time, I was down $120. That's 6.5% of my portfolio. So I've recovered a decent amount since then. For the month, I'm up $50, 2.75% last 3 months. And on the year, I'm up almost $60. Still, which is almost 4%, not bad. And if you guys know about my investing story when I first began, I tried doing, some of you guys might not know, but when I first, some of you guys most likely will not. And if we take a look at the all-time charts, I'm down $291, which is about 13.5% of my portfolio. When I first started using Robinhood, I did penny trading, and that's where I lost all this money. So today is January 8th, 2019, the first week of the brand new year. And in the past few days, these are some of the things that I've done. Let's take a look here. One of the first things I did was sell all the shares of Snapchat that I've had. I had 2 shares of Snapchat that I sold for $5.77. I do not believe in the Snapchat company. I don't think Snapchat is going to be here for the long term. So that's why I decided to sell Snapchat. If you look here, it's, Snapchat rose to $6.45. I could have held it. I could have held on to it, but what I did instead was I bought something else with the money that I acquired from selling Snap. If we take a look at the stats, you can see that there's no dividend yield. So what I've been trying to do is trying to make my portfolio a dividend portfolio where I get paid dividends every month. So let's take a look at the next trade that I've made. Sirius XM is another company. They do satellite radio. I had 2 shares of Sirius XM. I sold 2 shares at $5.86. Right now, the share price of Sirius XM is $6.34. Dividend yield is less than 1% for the year. Like I said, I sold this so I can buy something else. Sirius XM is a satellite radio company. I'm not sure too much of that business model, but I know that a lot of YouTubers now, they're starting to go the podcasting route, and there are a lot of really great podcasts out there. And like myself, whenever I'm driving, I'm most likely listening to either YouTube videos or podcasts. So I don't think I've listened to the radio for the last year, and I don't plan on listening to the radios just because I don't like their business model. I don't like listening to ads or anything of that sort. That's just my feeling on Sirius XM and the radio business model in general. Let's take a look at the next trade that I've made. I've sold 3 shares of Fitbit for $5.24 each. Right now, the share price of Fitbit is $5.68 per share. Again, no dividend yield, which is one of the main reasons why I sold Fitbit. Again, Fitbit is a wearable technology used to track your fitness. I've never owned a Fitbit or known anybody that has one. I'm more of an Apple Watch guy myself. I'm not wearing my Apple Watch today, but usually I wear the Apple Watch whenever I do any fitness type things, so I can track my calories, track my heart rate and whatnot. So in terms of Fitbit, I'm still not too sure of their business model, and I'm not too sure how much market share they have compared to all the other wearable technologies, but that's something that I want to take a look at. And for the 4th trade that I've done, I sold all those 3 previous shares of stocks just so I could buy AMD. I bought 1 share for $17.24. Right now, the price of AMD is $20.73. AMD was a steal like about last week, I think. And AMD does not have a dividend yield, but I believe in the company. They create really good GPUs, and I think that a lot of people are still mining cryptocurrencies with ADM. So that's one reason why I bought ADM, and also it was on sale. And yesterday I received my deposit of $100 from my checking account, and with that deposit I bought 1 share of Apple. Right now I think Apple is a decent price to get in for me. 1 share I bought for $148. And let's take a look at the Apple price now. Apple is $150.65. It's really hard to do these challenges with such a limited amount of cash. If I had more cash, I would probably buy a lot more Apple stock at that price range. If we look here, this is on the day. If we look on the week, you can see here that Apple stock went as low as $142. So I was a little bit late to jump on that train, but I still think I got in at a decent price. Not the best, but we'll see where Apple goes from here. I don't think Apple is gonna go anywhere anytime soon. The price will fluctuate just a bit. Their volatility is quite low. As you can see here, my buying power right now is $32.57. If you look here also, last 2 years ago, September 29, 2017, I bought 10 shares of Apple at $153. No, I sold 10 shares of Apple at $153.60. So that's back in the days when I was trading. But right now I'm not trading so much, and yeah, Apple, I'm gonna keep this for the long term. Their dividend yield isn't that great, but it is a blue chip stock, and I think Apple will be sticking around for a very long time. So one thing that I don't like to do is I don't like buying stocks on green days. I don't think that green days are the best times to start buying in on these stocks, but I have been keeping my eye on that Apple stock and a lot of other blue chip stocks like Tesla, and I'm just waiting for First, I'm waiting to accumulate a bit more cash, and I'm also waiting for them to go on sale yet again. Another stock that I really want on my watch list is Berkshire Hathaway. They've been trending down recently the past few months, and if I had enough, I would have bought Berkshire Hathaway. But I'll probably have to save another week just to purchase this stock. So other than that, I think my portfolio is exactly the same as how it was last week. I still have Ford, Apple. I'm still waiting to get rid of some of these stocks. I'll update you guys next week if I do decide to get rid of them. I'm waiting for a good time to dump CARA. I'm actually down a decent amount, and I don't think this company I don't think that this company will be able to turn it around. So I want to cut my losses where it is right now with that, but I'm gonna wait for them to go on a green day, or just check it out for a little bit longer before I decide if I want to sell or not. But yeah, like I said, my portfolio does not change that much. I think this was the biggest change in the last month to my portfolio. I'm not sure if I told you this last week or not. Most likely not, but I bought 10 shares of ACB, which is Aurora Cannabis. I bought, my average cost is $4.94. Right now it's $5.03, so I'm up $1 for total returns, but I'm down $2.3 for the day. Again, this company has no dividend yield. This company is pure speculation. That's why I bought it. Just something to, I like to gamble here and there, take some higher risk positions. So this is one of them. I'm also trying to learn as much as I can about the legalization of marijuana within the United States. I know that Aurora Cannabis is from Canada, but like I said, in the United States, recreational marijuana is starting to become more lax in law. I think that will potentially boost this company's stock. Here are some other cannabis companies that I looked into, but Aurora Cannabis was, I think, one of the bigger companies. That's why I decided to go with them rather than these other ones. I bought 10 shares at $4.94. Came to about 50 bucks. All right, so that's gonna be it for my portfolio. I've seen some decent gains in the past week, and I'm pretty happy about that. But I still think that there's gonna be a lot of volatility within the market. So if you guys are very risk adverse and you guys do not want to lose any money, then investing in the stock market right now might not be the greatest choice. But if you're ready to lose maybe 10 to 15, almost 20% of your portfolio, then maybe investing in the stock market right now might be right for you. I'm not a financial advisor, but you should consult one if you decide to go really deep in investing in the stock market. And that's gonna be it for this week's Robinhood challenge. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys made it all the way to the end of this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, leave me a comment, leave me a like, and I'll catch you guys on another video next week. See you later.